Panguva ino the Constitution Defenders Forum yava serious. Panguva ino yatikuona kuti they are happy just because everyone now knows the truth. Public hearings aka-exposa chokwadi akanyatsobuda pachena achinyatsoonekwa kunzi every citizens akuziva zvakuda kuitwa nezvegananda zvasiyana nepaya vanhu vaingopurirwa vese musaga. Saka namashoko amudanyirwa panguva ino atogwa ne the Constitution Defenders Forum. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chibida mudanyirwa unchinzi. In quotes, the defense of the Constitution has entered a decisive phase. The flawed, violent, and exclusionary public hearings have exposed a process that lacks legality and legitimacy. Any attempt to amend the Constitution outside its prescribed safeguards is a violation of the people's sovereignty. It must be firmly resisted. We call on all Zimbabweans to assert their constitutional rights, reject this bill, and stand in active defense of the Constitution. This is a moment for collective, decisive action. The people must rise, and the Constitution must be defended. The Constitution Defenders Forum rejected the bill. And again, Constitutional Amendments Bill number 3 must be withdrawn in its entirety. Any future attempts to amend the Constitution within the same confines must strictly adhere to its own safeguards through genuine, inclusive public hearings and a binding national referendum. We are escalating this fight with the clarity and the resolve to ensure that the people's voice is not suppressed, but heard and respected, and that the constitutional order is fully restored. Ndio mashukamada tukopana hapa na the Constitutional Defenders Forum wachiti no to 2030 defend the Constitution. Na comment section yetu za fungura moto ndipo msuru pichiti kwa ishi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.